To Friday. Today, for your math facts that we are going to be working on, you will need to have your lesson worksheet 30-1A. So if you want to take that and put that just to the side, make sure you also have a pencil. That would be greatly appreciated for your lesson. Today, we're going to be taking a look and learning the addition facts with a sum of 8 and 9. So, we have some facts that have a sum of 8. And we actually have 5 of them that we're going to see have a sum of 8. And what we need to do is we need to figure out what those add-ins are that have a sum, when you put them together, of 8. Okay? Now, let's see if we can find out what they are. We already know 4 of the facts that have a sum of 8. We already know 4 of them. That's a really great start. So we need to figure out what the other one is. So what do we already know? I'll give you a hint. 1 is an adding 0 fact. Well, that's super easy. If it's an adding 0 fact, 0 plus 8 equals 8. Right. 1 is going to be an adding 1 fact. Oh, we already know those too. 1 plus what is 8? 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 is an adding 2 fact, which you already learned. 2 plus what is 8? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And one of them is a doubles fact. What plus what is 8? What number plus itself? 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay? Now, we have to figure out what another pair of numbers are that are going to have a sum of 8. Well, we used 0, we used 1, we used 2, we used 4. We're missing 1. How about 3? 3 plus what is going to equal 8? Well, if I don't know, I can start at 8 and I can go back 3. Remember that I can use my red folder if I need to. I can also start at 3 and count until I get to 8. Why don't we try that? Start at 3 and we have to count up until we get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus what is 8? 3 plus 5 equals 8. That is the new fact that you don't already know. That was new. 3 plus 5 equals 8. How can we prove it? Well, we just did. We used our red folder. We also could have drawn dots, right? Start at 3. We need 8 total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 gave us 8. Okay? We also have a few other facts that we need to look at because we said sums of 8 and sums of 9. So next, let's look at those sums of 9. There are 5 different facts that have sums of 9. You probably already could guess that, couldn't you? Here they are. Now, we have to see if we can find out what these are. We already know 4 of these facts too. Can you believe it? We already know 4 of these facts also. I'll give you a hint. 1 is an adding 0 fact again. You already know that one, don't you? 0 plus 9 equals 9. Guess what? One of them is adding 1 fact. 1 plus what is 9? Start at 9 and go back 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. You already know the adding 2 fact also. 2 plus what is 9? 2 plus 7 equals 9. And you already know a doubles plus 1 fact. Well, here was your double. 4 plus 4 is 8. So double plus 1 means I have to have 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? Well, there's one more pair of numbers that is going to have a sum of 9. We use 0, 1, 2, 4. Ooh, we're missing 3 again, aren't we? 3 plus what equals 9? Grab out your folder if you need to. 3 plus what equals 9? We're going to start at 3 and count until we get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Very good. Now, we can prove it by using our red folder like we did. We can prove it by drawing a picture. Okay, we have lots of different ways that we can prove it. I want you to take a look at our lesson worksheet now. If you ever need your red folder, remember you're welcome to use it if you need it. So I'll just leave mine sit close by in case we need it. So the new facts that we needed to learn were 3 plus 5 equals 8 and 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, those are the only two new facts. So what we're going to do is you're going to notice that in box A, these are the sums of 8. And you're going to notice in box B, these are sums of 9. Okay? So, let's go ahead and take a look. What is the missing number in this first problem? 0 plus what is 8? 0 plus 8 equals 8. Make sure you write that down. If you don't have your name on your paper, sorry, make sure that name gets on. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 1 plus what is 8? 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus what equals 8? 2 plus 6. 3 plus what equals 8? This is our new fact right here. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 4 plus what is 8? This is our doubles. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. This is our new one. Now we have to do it in reverse. 8 plus what is 8? 8 plus 0. 7 plus what is 8? Start at 7 and count till you get to 8. 8. 1. 7 plus 1. 6 plus what is 8? Start at 6 and count until you get to 8. 6, 7, 8. 2. 5 plus what is 8? 5 plus 3 is 8. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Let's look down at part B. These are all of our sums of 9. Sums of 9. 0 plus what is 9? 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9, right? Those are facts that are the same. 1 plus what is 9? 1 plus 8. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus what is 9? 2 plus 7 equals 9, which means 7 plus 2 equals 9, doesn't it? 3 plus what is 9? 3 plus 6. If I didn't know that, friends, remember I have two ways I can find out. Start at 3 until I get to 9, or start at 9 and go back 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, and I got 6. 4 plus what is 9? This is sounds like a doubles plus 1 to me, doesn't it? Start at 4 and count till you get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. That is totally our doubles, isn't it? So 3 plus 6 is 9, so 6 plus 3 is 9. And if 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 6 and 6 plus 3, those are our new facts. So at the bottom, you need to go ahead and write out the answers to these problems. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? The back side of this sheet, you'll remember, is for you. This is your reminder, and this is for your parents to see also that you practice the sum of 8 and 9 facts. You'll be tested on those new addition facts next week. So over the next few days, I want you to go ahead and practice these. Make sure that you get those stuck in your brain as much as you can. Practice them as much as you can. Say them out loud. Write them down on separate sheets of paper. Whatever you need to do in order to be successful and get these memorized. Keep this paper at home to practice. You do not need to give this one back to me, but make sure that you have done the front side and have practiced, and keep that somewhere safe, just like you keep your reading books safe, so that you have a sheet to use as your reference for your practice. When this is done, you are done with the first part of your math for today. Make sure also that you get those tests done today. We'll see you later.